Hello everyone, we are from Group 15. We'll talk about water pollution in this video. Water is an important source of human life and supports the global system of living things. As the population of Earth keeps on increasing, people are making more serious for the water pollution problem. According to the Environment Defense Organization (WWF), pollution are toxic chemical pollutants life on this planet. There are two types of water pollution, which are first surface water pollution and the second one is groundwater pollution. Surface water pollution is water pollution which occurs on surface waters. Freshwater resources such as rivers, lakes, and huge oceans are likely to be called as surface waters. For example is oil spills from an oil tanker. Groundwater pollution is water pollution caused by the underground water. Most of our drinking water are supplied by the aquifers. Example, with killers that are used in people's gardens through the drain into the ground. There are two ways of water pollution happen. The first one is point source pollution and the second one is non-point source pollution. Point source pollution is pollution that comes from a single location, such as a discharge pipe attached to a factory. Examples, a discharge from a factory chimney, an oil spill from a tanker, or even someone pouring oil into the drain. Non-point source pollution is generally result from land runoff, precipitation, atmospheric deposition, drainage, seepage, or hydrologic modification. It is caused by rainfall or snow melt moving over and through the ground.
For example, excess fertilizer, herbicide, and insecticide from agricultural land and residential area. Second, oil grease and toxic chemical. And third, sediment from improperly managed construction sites, crop and forest land, and eroding stream banks. Causes of water pollution. First, sewage and wastewater. Untreated sewage and wastewater which constitute water pollutant will bring disease to humans. Bacteria and chemical substances in polluted water become the breeding grounds for the other creatures that act like carriers. Next is industry waste. It produces pollutant and waste which contain toxic chemicals that are extremely harmful to people. Example of chemical substances: lead, mercury, sulfur, asbestos, nitrates, phosphate, petrochemicals, and oils. Furthermore, marine dumping is garbage produced by households in form of paper, aluminum, rubber, glass, plastic, and food waste from factory, industry, and households deposited into the sea. Here is example of effect caused by marine dumping. Move to the next point, oil pollution. Oil spill will cause marine plant cannot do photosynthesis due to blocked by oil thick layer on surface that lead marine animals die. Human health and food source from sea will also get affected due to oil spilling kill marine animals. Last but not least, agriculture sector. Agriculture use fertilizer and excreta to increase nutrient on vegetation. Farmers use pesticide to prevent vegetation get damaged. Those substances will infiltrate through soil to groundwater lead to water be polluted. There are 5 ways to reduce water pollution. First, keep our drains clean. Second, save water in the first place. Third, never flush chemical and other non-degradable products down the toilet and sink. Fourth, by holding onto a recycling and zero waste concept. Fifth, use environmentally friendly cleaning agents.
Created using Powtoon.